separate app sound for your different or separate apps, you can see this option, but you don't able to set it from here. For that, go to sound and vibration, and under sound and vibration, go to notifications, and under notification, then you can see the advanced setting. You have to enable manage your notification, this option. So once you enable this option, now you have to go back your apps setting, and which apps you want to set it as. For example, I want to set my YouTube apps. Go to YouTube apps, then make sure you are allowing this app option. Once you allow this option, then you can see notification category. Now here you can see you can customize your subscription, notification, live stream, comment, replay, all of them. For example, I have to customize my live stream. Then go to sound. Now select any apps, sound, for example car alert, then go back, then it will be set automatically. Now if I go to my main notification setting, go back my main notification sound, then you can see it's set as default. So this is how you can easily set custom notification sound for different apps. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.